Hi Professor, and in this video I'm going to record how everything we learned throughout this course about finance and accounting will apply to my future job or a career opportunity that I want to potentially start an e-commerce and a brick-and-mortar shop of a scent boutique shop that sells essential oil and candles and other related products essentially. So this shop will start with the e-commerce, will be based on TikTok and Amazon, and then evolve into a boutique shop. So the mostly overheads in the beginning will start with online cost of setting up the online store of Amazon. We will dissect the fixed costs and variable costs here. So if we were to have a storage room and have one person in charge of the storage and shipping, we will take into consideration of a fixed cost. And if there's any one-time charge of the TikTok shop and Amazon store cost, that will be the fixed cost as well. For the variable cost, it will be more complex. I would have to utilize a comprehensive spreadsheet or a third-party software to calculate all the variable costs of different products, because I'm planning to launch about 10 different products and 15 types of products of the second category, and the other variable costs include the paid advertising I'll paying on Amazon or TikTok, as well as the shipping costs depending on different third-party carriers that I will use both domestically and internationally. So the knowledge we learn in the first three chapters will be extremely helpful for my business, because I will be valuing all the fixed and variable costs, as well as I will need to calculate the income statement of each month and each season, as well as each year. And I will be working with a CPA to work strictly on my before tax income and after tax income, and how I can how I can allocate my income to any non-profit potential opportunities to avoid to make some tax deductions. Meanwhile, there's many other company management aspects I can pay attention to, such as the legal aspects. This is something we paid attention to during our in-person session. I'll be filing with a patent right lawyers and work with several documents such as the non-disclosure agreement and the NN, which stands for non-disclosure, non-use, and non-circumvention. Here with the factors I'll be working with to avoid unnecessary copyrights and counterfeit competitors in the market. And I also think the concept of present value and future value will be useful for my business, because the present value will start quite low. However, it might project into a higher future value, especially with the growth opportunity of the company, because many business owners on Amazon sell their business in 2 to 5 years. So depending on how well it runs in the future, I will project the future value to be much higher. Last but not least, even though the company is not issuing any stock at this point apparently, and one thing you need to pay attention to is the margin and profit trajectory profit the store will bring, because most of the stores run on maybe 30 to 50% of profit margin, so it's not as optimistic as it usually sounds. As a business owner, I really need to compare it to other products in the store and project this profit model. Is not as easy as making a salary, because there's so many overheads and unnecessary costs it will generate, which is the how like most Amazon store owners had the failure in the beginning. But if I take this into consideration, maybe I will have planned out the overheads a little bit more and give more space for a potential profit. So this is my small presentation for this week. So far, I have truly gained a lot of insights and useful context through this course. So thank you again for your time and dedication throughout this course. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.